Hello dear children, I hope you all are safe. We'll continue with the language work, chapter 12, adverbs. So see, we have discussed all the parts and also we have discussed all the exercises. Only part H is left, okay? So we'll complete that today. So, see this part. I'm on page number 61. Underline the adverbs and mention what kind of adverbs they are. There may be more than one adverb in a sentence. Okay? In all these sentences, we have to pick the adverbs and then here in this column we'll mention what kind of adverb is that. Okay? If you remember, we have discussed 4 types of adverbs. Number 1, adverb of place, adverbs of manner, adverbs of time and adverbs of frequency. Alright, so let's see. First sentence, it is already done. The poor child looked on hungrily. So hungrily here is adverb of manner. Second sentence, I really eat chocolates. Really है, frequency की बात कर रहे हैं, ठीक है? तो adverb of frequency. The soldiers fought bravely. Bravely, बहादुरता के साथ लड़ाई. Fought bravely, ठीक है? So bravely क्या है? Adverb of manner. How, ठीक है? How के क्वेश्चन का आंसर हो रहा है ना? Fourth, she goes trekking to the mountains very often. फिर often word frequency का है, ठीक है? So this is adverbs of frequency. I have never been late for school. ठीक है? अब यहाँ पे मैंने याद है ना फ्रिक्वेंसी वाले में बताया था ना हाउ ऑफन लगा के क्वेश्चन फ्रेम होते हैं कि हाउ ऑफन जब यहाँ पे लगा के तो जो आंसर आएगा दैट इज द एडवर्ब. सो आई हैव नेवर बीन लेट फॉर स्कूल. नेवर इज द एडवर्ब ऑफ फ्रिक्वेंसी. शी डांस्ड वेल येस्टरडे. अब इसमें 2 एडवर्ब्स हैं. वन इज वेल, ठीक है? हाउ डिड शी डांस? वेल. आंसर आ गया वेल. हाउ लगा के आया तो हाउ वाला हमारा मैनर होता है, मैनर लगा दिया. when did she dance? कब डांस किया उसने? आंसर क्या आया? yesterday. टाइम में आ गया, ठीक है? रिमेंबर ना, मैनर वाले में वी फ्रेम द क्वेश्चंस यूजिंग हाउ. एडवर्ब ऑफ टाइम में वी यूज्ड when, ठीक है? फ्रीक्वेंसी में हाउ ऑफन और प्लेस में वेयर वी यूज्ड वेयर. 7th सेंटेंस, ही हिट द बॉल आउट ऑफ द ग्राउंड. कहाँ पे उसने हिट किया? वेयर, प्लेस. वेयर आ गया ना यहाँ पे, adverb of place. The ball was lost somewhere in the bushes. Somewhere again place. Where was the ball lost? Somewhere is the answer, so adverb of place. Next, the children followed the instructions obediently. So how लगेगा? कैसे instructions follow की उन्होंने? Adverb of manner. I play tennis occasionally. So here frequency, ठीक है? He ran up and down the stairs many times. Where did he run? Up and down is the answer. So इसमें भी 2 adverbs and both are of place. You can come to my house now or later. When should I come to your house? या when, ठीक है? When आ गया, कहाँ पे लगता है वो? टाइम में. Now and later, time. She is often late, frequency. 14th sentence, they were making a plan secretly. How were they making the plan? Answer is manner. Secretly is the answer, sorry. How लग के आया है तो adverb of manner. Dad will soon come and take me home. Soon तो क्या आ गया? Time, ठीक है? He ate his food hurriedly. So hurriedly word is adverb of manner. Alright. 17th sentence, she practiced hard every day. अब यहाँ पे 2 words हैं adverbs हमारी, hard and every day. Hard, how, कैसे practice हो रही है, and when, कब की उससे practice. तो क्या बना? adverb of manner and adverb of time. 18th sentence, the crowd was excited and cheered loudly for their team. Crowd बहुत excited थी और उन्होंने loudly cheer किया अपनी टीम के लिए, ठीक है? How did the crowd cheered? क्या आंसर आया? loudly. How, adverb of manner. Next sentence, if you eat well, you will be healthy and strong. So here well is what? Adverb of manner. The last sentence, we see them rarely. Rarely, adverb of frequency होता है, okay? Now we have completed this chapter till part H. I'll send you the solution starting from part A till H. You can solve this on your language book. ठीक है. Also I'm going to send one comprehension today. See, this is the comprehension. A very small paragraph is there, followed by 2 questions and few true false are there. So you have to solve this. Okay. Remember those 3 points. First of all, read, then explore, and then answer. First read this paragraph, what is there. After reading, read these questions and true false. Then again reread the paragraph. Okay. And then finally answer the questions. Then I'll send you the solutions also for this comprehension. So you try to attempt this comprehension कि आपको कितना कहाँ तक समझ आया. You can do this on your English language notebook. Write only answers. Okay, don't copy the whole paragraph and the questions and the true false also. Simply read from the phone screen and then answer on your notebooks. Okay. Take care. Have a nice day.